Hi, let me show you some new features of MFlow which are particularly interesting. One of them is full REST compliance with REST style URLs and addressability, or you can create a bookmark for every single step in a flow. So this is a little example with some number of pages, which has two main branches. One is a sum of three numbers in three different pages. The number is asked, and then the result is presented in a fourth. And the second is a navigation, a pure navigation. While this first is stateful because we get numbers and we zoom, then at the end this navigation has no state. It's just what in other frameworks will be called a route. But in this case, the route is don't need a particular syntax. Is just the same syntax used in flow as a normal flow. Let's see, for example, that the first step is choosing between two options. There is a submenu depending on the first option for departments with two departments, and department choosing is presented, and there is the other option is colors. The same things happens. Each access statement is a page. So this flow has 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Right? Let's start it. We put a breakpoint here. Execute. Well, let's look. We can address any directly any branch or any step inside the navigation. We for example can start here, going through the first level of option, which is the choosing the election between sum and navigation. We go directly to navigation, for example. Okay, so we are here in the first uh, menu of navigation. We press continue. Yeah, here is the main menu of navigation. Let's go to departments, for example. Here we are in departments. Here we have the second level menu of departments. The RESTful path reflect this navigation departments. So we let's choose the department 2. Okay, so we are in the code is generated for the page, and That's the next step. This is the page for department 2, which is this line. So we are now in the last branch of department, let's say navigation. So why not go to directly to colors, and we choose green color. What happens? Let's see. The debugger has stopped, and we are right here in the last branch of colors. How? In fact, the flow has had a backtracking. It backtracked to this previous page. He chose colors because the path specified colors, and then he entered in this menu and chose the green. We can see here in this trace that there is a backtracking here, a one level backtracking. So far so good. Well, fine. Let's continue in the module, and let's go directly to the sum. This is the sum of two numbers, which is directly this line of the code. What happened is that MFlow backtracked the code execution until the main menu, main flow, choose this option, sum, and enter here, because this is the execution for this option. And this is as a first line. This is just an envelope of HTML and body tags for the rest of the flow. So we are here. We can oh, a failure.